Harar Mahadev. Welcome back to my channel. As discussed with you all the other day, I think 2 days back, it's 3 days actually, and Abhishek Goyal gave me a few calls. There were some discussions up and down, and he said he's sending me the ticket, but there is no news till yet. And he tried to mention that my phone, his handphone, cell phone, whatever, is under surveillance. His phone has been tapped. Yeah, really? Is he such a big man that his phone is being tapped? Or he's doing something illegal? Or he doesn't want to talk to me so that evidences are created again? Okay, fine. Now there is no reply for him. And I'm happy. Today I've come here majorly with a story, a scam in detail. This will be a very lengthy video. People who want to watch may, or you may please leave, because this is actually for the ones who are involved in the case, like Sharad Pawar ji and Sanjeev Bajaj, Amit Shah ji, the BJP government, the NCP government, and lot of other accused. The banks, IDBI Bank, Union Bank, Income Tax Department, the Sales Tax Department. A lot of people are involved in my case. Now, I'll start with it. 2009, January, December or January. December 2008, January 2009. Union Bank of India and IDBI Bank gave me a loan of approximately 19.65 crores, against which all my assets of the company were insured with Cholamandalam. Fine. Now IDBI is a channel partner of Bajaj Alliance, and one Mrs. Renu Seth of IDBI Bank, she asked me to cancel the policies of Cholamandalam and get all my assets reinsured or insured with Bajaj Alliance. Fine. First I made a little, no, why? I've already paid premium, so and so. After the expiry, she forced me. So the existing policies were cancelled and fresh policies were taken from Bajaj Alliance. Approximately 10 lakhs premium was paid to Bajaj Alliance. Now, there was one policy issued in February against stock for 12 crores and premium was paid. In March, that was one policy against stock, plus several other policies were also there in February. In March, IDBI Bank and Union Bank decided to give me a surprise visit. Me means my company, Sleepens Apparels Private Limited at Pune. And they came in several cars, about 4-5 cars with a lot of officers. And there was a surprise stock check. Now it so happened, in the next few hours after stock taking and checking the records, books, everything, they certified that yes, stock equivalent to the whatever I have submitted, the figures to the banks while taking the loan, is the same. Hence, there was no issue. But then IDBI said, when the stocks are there for about 19-20 crores in your warehouse and your office, then the policy of 12 crores is not enough. We need more policy. And hence, she sent Bajaj Alliance again to my office. Now, the earlier was 12 crores and now they gave me another policy of 21 crores. Both the policies have the same number. I've already discussed before, so I won't, explain too much. Same number. Okay. Now, they gave me a policy of 21 crores. Immediately thereafter, there was a fire at the factory. The police came in. The MSCB people came in. Everybody came in. All legal formalities were taken care of. And The police wrote a panchnama and gave me a copy that fire was due to short circuit. Remember this, friends, short circuit. I applied for my claim. I approached Bajaj Alliance. A lot of officers came in. They checked everything. They cleared one claim against plant and building because the building totally collapsed. All the machinery was finished. Everything was finished. Approximately the losses were 25 crores, and hence they gave me 72 lakh rupees against that policy. Now I will say give that policy number A, because otherwise it's a very big digit number. You all will not remember. Policy number A against plant and machinery. 72 lakhs deposited before the Honorable High Court in 2010 by Union Bank of India, parties Union Bank, IDBI, Income Tax, Sales Tax, Bajaj Alliance, myself, my company. Nothing has happened since 2010. That money is lying idle in High Court, in an FD. Nobody came to claim it. Nobody. No income tax, no sales tax, no bankers. Reason: immediately thereafter, Bajaj repudiated, means rejected my claim against stock. He repudiated. Nahi dena hai paisa aapko. Fine. Now what is my option? Just go to court. And at that time, who was in power? The Congress and the NCP. Congress and the NCP. Brothers, families, members. Now Sanjeev Bajaj, his father Rahul Bajaj, great friends with the Congress, great friends since 47. Jamnadas Bajaj, late Jamnadas Bajaj, Rahul Bajaj's father. Now, all the help they want, they get from the center. Center is theirs. NCP is theirs. He doesn't want to give me, go to court. I went to court. I know it will take 10 years filing that case. 6 months, there is one date, National Commission, the Consumer Court in Delhi. Fine. Now, they thought of devastating me both together, all three together, Union Bank, IDBI and Bajaj. Center tumhara hai na? Your father is very strong, Tino. That time BJP was not there. Center is taking care. Devastate him. I am there, no? Fine. Now, every litigation started against me. First was a criminal complaint by IDBI Bank. I had an anticipatory bail, but no. Bajaj came to give his statement to after IDBI Bank, and he told the senior police officer there, Mr. Chhabria has submitted all bogus documents, fabricated documents, and hence we didn't pay him. What were the documents? Nothing. I am saying nothing because now I am acquitted. At that time, what were the documents? Nothing. Whereas Bajaj, one of his guys, whoever, Sanki, he comes to the police station. They create evidence on their system, on the computer, printouts. One of the guys, the police constable goes out, rubber stamp, Bajaj sign. And on the basis of those documents, these police officers come to my place and arrest me. 17 people, 10 guns, rifles, revolvers, lathis. Am I a terrorist? Am I a terrorist? Okay. They took me in the caged van with the lal batti so that everybody in the society should know. And the siren went off. Vroom, 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 vroom. Wow. Fair enough. Arrested, in jail. There itself he tells me, 10 lakh. The senior PI, 10 lakh. I'll let your wife and your daughter go. You and Nishant have to be in the jail. I said, I've got anticipatory bail. He said, nahi, kal court mein dekhenge kya hoega. Because I have to take you, produce you in the court tomorrow morning. Okay. Now everything, you will understand how things were managed. The cops were managed. They got enough money from Bajaj. Sharad Pawar ji and Congress, whoever. But they wanted money from me too, 10 lakhs. हम आपको छोड़ देंगे. I gave them 10 lakhs. Let Anita and Neha go home. Investigation complete in 3 months. Report filed in court. What is the report? B summary. You may not all understand B summary, but the people I have named in the start, they all understand. Means the case is false. False. Bogus by IDBI. Fine, fair enough. Now what? IDBI has to proceed with the case. No. And I had no. I couldn't go and proceed. I had no locus to proceed. ये हमारा इंडिया का कानून, ये इंडिया का कानून CRPC. The accused has no locus. No locus. And IDBI didn't want to proceed. 2015, I went to High Court, explained everything. High Court gave an order to the magistrate, the learned magistrate below, expedite the case. Finish. Bum. Now what happens? The magistrate has to proceed. It was Mrs. Magistrate Pansare. She proceeded with the case. Weekly basis, 3 days, 4 days, 1 date. And now my locus is there because of the High Court order. Now they got scared. IDBI got scared. Bajaj got scared. Union Bank got scared. What happens? They went to Bombay High Court. Again, before a bench. Stating that the first investigation is not right, not proper. We need further investigation. Further investigation. Judge allowed. Bench. Both the judges allowed the prayers. I said, fine. Expedite. Expedite. Again. They started. And I got orders of expedite and time bound. Trial of 2 months. Now the judge, the magistrate who's sitting there, he sends a slip to High Court. We need 2 more months. Why do you want 2 more months? You are not calling. The prosecution is not willing to argue here before you all. Why is the prosecution not arguing? Right? And this judge kept on. 2 months, 6 months. Not required. But they cannot proceed with the case. Now what is the charge sheet? The second charge sheet which is come, that is important. It's not regarding the fire. It's not regarding the money. It's not regarding the loans I've taken from the bank. It's not regarding insurance. It's not regarding anything what the complaint is. The complaint states something else and the charge sheet states something else. Why? What did they do? They roped in income tax and sale tax. Important. They roped in income tax and sale tax and both give a written letter, statement. Approximately 5 crores each I owe my company. Really? But when you approached High Court in 2010, what have you discussed there? What have you given in writing? 58 lakhs. Sales tax. Income tax. Nothing. There is no assessment for the year 2009. Assessment for 2008 complete. Tax paid. Now, what happens? No assessment. So there is nothing basically. Only 58 for sales tax. And here you say 10 crores approximately. And I'm acquitted on basis of that. Acquitted. That no, there was no sales tax due and no income tax due. Acquitted. Kishore is not done it. What happened about the Bajaj? What happened about IDBI's loan? What happened about Union Bank's loan? What happened about all the other things? What happens about my arguments, my documents? Daba diya. Suppress. All the offenses suppressed. Fire suppressed. Policies bogus suppressed. Everything suppressed. By whom? The magistrate. Paisa diya na bahut. Bahut paisa diya. Bahut. Fine. Why am I talking all this now? Otherwise it would have been contempt. Trust me. Now I'm talking bindas is about the judges is because Abhishek Goyal has told me. Court number 5. हम उसको पैसा देगा बहुत. Mr. Chabria, so this is evidence. I've got evidence. That's why I'm speaking. And I've told you all in many of the videos, suo moto hoega case dekhna. Very soon. Judges will not like this. Kishore speaking against the judiciary. Paisa khaya. Judges ne paisa. Oh wow man. Aisa bhi hota hai kya? Fine. Now this is one case. 2011 criminal complaint. Arrested. Paper news. Second day media. Whoever knows Marathi will know it. I'll explain in Hindi and English. किशोर छाबऱ्यानी स्वतः त्याच्या फॅक्टरीला आग लावून टाकली. द नेक्स्ट डे पेपर से किशोर छाबरिया हैज हिमसेल्फ पुट फायर टू हिज फैक्ट्री. द पेपर से किशोर छाबरिया ने अपनी ही फैक्ट्री को आग लगा डाला. द पेपर से द मीडिया. नेक्स्ट डे पेपर किसका है फ्रेंड्स? पेपर किसका है? आवर टाइकून मिस्टर शरद पवार. सकाळ मीडिया. वाह. अरेस्ट भी कर, बोगस डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी बना अंदर कोर्ट पुलिस स्टेशन में बैठ के, एंड बाद में मीडिया में, तेरे ही मीडिया में मेरा कचरा भी कर. वाई? डेवास्टेट कर इसको, खत्म कर, खलास कर दे, जमीन दस्त कर दे इसको. ओके. 2012 Union Bank and IDBI Bank officers come with police officers to my property on Lakshmi Road. Shuttered down, sealed. Shuttered down, sealed. ऐसा कैसा हो गया? How could they seal it? Because I am telling you, I was dodo. Initially, no criminal knowledge, no civil law knowledge, nothing. ऐसा कैसा किया? Then I had to go and study everything. Then meet this lawyer and that lawyer and that lawyer. सब lawyers managed. सब lawyers को manage कर दिया शरद पवार जी ने और संजीव बजाज ने. सब लॉयर्स मेरे. कुछ नहीं हो रहा. DRT, डेट रिकवरी ट्रिब्यूनल. DRT पैसा खाया, बहुत पैसा खाया जज ने. ऑल माई एप्लीकेशंस रिजेक्टेड. अरे आई एम सेइंग आई एम नॉट मॉर्गेज द शॉप. आई हैव नॉट गिवन देम. दिस शॉप बिलोंग्स टू माय डॉटर नेहा छाबरिया. हाउ कुड यू टेक इट? वाह, ऐसा भी होता है क्या? शनिवारवाड़ा ले लेंगे, कल ताजमहल को ले लेंगे, बैंक सील कर देंगे ताजमहल को. तुम्हारे बाप का माल है क्या? एवरीथिंग ट्विस्टेड लेटर. एवरीथिंग. DRT rejected their application to now change the documents which I had done in 2000. Change the documents and mortgage the shop. When? In 16 or 17. वाह, ऐसा भी होता है क्या? I didn't mortgage. Now they're asking the court. Court said, how can I? Until and unless Mr. Chabria doesn't mortgage the shop with you, how can I mortgage? I cannot change any documents. I cannot rewrite the documents. Go to Mr. Chabria. If he's mortgaging, take it now after 8 years. Wow, ऐसा भी होता है. Fine. This is where he devastated me 2 places. अभी तक DRT का no order. Today, 2010, 2023, 13 years. No order, my dear friends. No order. कुछ पैसा नहीं निकलता है. The banks, I have to pay them, but give me the order, I'm paying you. I'm willing to pay you. No order. You got it? This is what has happened in the scam. Sharad Pawar, every time. Even now BJP stuck up. Why BJP stuck up? After 2014, BJP came in. BJP came in. And the judiciary did everything the same way. Because BJP didn't know what is happening. Trust me. BJP didn't know what is happening in Kishore Chhabriya's case because यहाँ का local था, and Sharad Pawar was managing the judges. Nobody else. Sanjeev Bajaj, crook. क्या क्या हुआ है? You know one Mr. Nambi, whatever. He was from ISRO. I don't remember his full name. Gentleman, he was arrested in a false case. The court compensated him. The Kerala government also gave him money. This Abhishek Goyal, he's finished. The way he said no yesterday, he's finished, I'll tell you. Now he knows. वहाँ से काम नहीं हुआ तो मैं जेल है. That's why he's saying मेरा phone tap हो रहा है. अरे phone tap करने को you need to take permission of the government or the Director General of Police. ऐसा ही नहीं होता है किसी का भी टैप, और यू कैन टैप एनीबडीज फोन. Why your phone is tapped? Means you're a crook. You're doing this with everybody. All this is going to come on record. Friends, all this is going to come on record. So this scam, I told you about the court, how every judge is managed since 2010. My biggest weapon, nuclear bomb, atomic bomb, जो भी बोलो, सबसे बड़ा bomb इस दुनिया में, is that case where Union Bank has deposited 72 lakhs. They have written everything there. And then later, Bajaj is written in his case where I filed the honey trap. That policy number A has been settled and 72 lakhs paid. Policy B, he said policy B we have issued to Mr. Chhabria for 21 crores. But in DRT he is saying I've issued policy to Mr. Chhabria or Sleepens Apparel for 12 crores. Phas gaya. This is right or that is right. And then again in the criminal court during trial, I get 2 more copies of policies. One for 12 crores and one for 21 crores. Sorry. 4 policies in all. I've got certified copies of that policies. As of today, they are not on record before the learned magistrate. Chori ho gaya, doston. From where? From the court. Who removed it? Definitely court jiska hai, the learned magistrate. Paisa diya usko to remove those 2 copies. That and that they cannot change. Those are big courts. High Court, National Commission, equivalent to Supreme Court. क्या है? करो. यहाँ भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स बोगस, वहाँ भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स बोगस, हर जगह डॉक्यूमेंट्स बोगस. सब किया. They did everything towards me. Friends, everything they did. They tried to devastate me, everything. I've told a lot of things even earlier. My accident, such a big scar here. Shoulder fractured. Why? पैसा नहीं देना है नहीं है. They could have paid me money. Bajaj could have paid me money. But now he'll pay me against which policy, my friends? In 2009. Which policy? 12 crores or 21 crores? I cannot give both. दोनों का पैसा दिया तो जेल में. So if I give this, that is bogus. And I give here, that is bogus. So it's better not to give him. Let us devastate him. और देखो क्या हुआ. Where have I come till today? Where have I come till today, my friends? Now why do I settle? मेरा वो भी question है to you, and I wish some of y'all, though in past videos a lot of people have called me and they have discussed a lot of things with me, and I want you all to call me now. Tell me whether this should be settled out of court or this should be settled in court. Court paisa dega. All 60,000 crores. Sorry. All 60,000 crores the court will give me. Why settle? इनकी मस्ती क्यों साइन करूं मैं? Why should I agree to the terms and conditions? What protocols? In 2010 you didn't have protocols. In 15 you didn't have protocols. In 17 you didn't have protocols. 18 you didn't have. 21 you didn't have protocols. BJP government, I'm talking to you. Since 14 you are there. Mr. Amit ji, Mr. Narendra ji, our Honorable Prime Minister. Protocols were not there. You didn't know about my case. When I started doing social media, कान खड़े हो गए सबके. अमित जी कान खड़े हो गए. शरद पवार जी कान खड़े हो गए. Honorable Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Mr. Chandrachud, कान खड़े हो गए. That is the reason Abhishek tells me even the court is with you, settle out of court. वाह भाई वाह. This is wow again. ऐसा भी होता है क्या? This is what has happening in my case. Why should I settle? अब settle करना is their requirement, not mine. Not mine. Why did I do social media? It's 24 minutes. It'll take about 10 minutes more. please stay or go. Whatever. It's a request. Why did I do social media? Let me tell you all. First I did social media is the honey trap. Honey trap. I've got so much of evidence. I trust my evidence. And I'm a man of evidence. I create it. Anywhere and anyhow, I create it. Legally. No illegal creation. I'm not Sanjeev Bajaj. I did social media. सबके कान खड़े करने के लिए ही. But in that I had to open this honey trap. I had to tell about ma'am. I had to. My stakes are very big. For her, yes. Maybe she may be feeling that my reputation is lost. No. Ma'am's reputation is not lost. I foresee. And I had foreseen even 1 year back when I was introduced, or 1.5 years back, that we will be husband and wife. Hence I had to do the social media. I have not ruined her reputation. And in the video 3 days back I did say, no, my character, 100% I'll get married. So where is the reputation lost? A billionaire's wife. Let her come and say, I don't want to marry you, you ruined my reputation. Please go to court. Please go to the police station. Please. No, I told you yesterday. 0. She cannot go. If she goes to court, first the person who will be called is Bhavin Mehta and Vivek Tikku. Bum. And after that, Sanjeev Bajaj and Sharad Pawarji. Go. Go. Please go. Not so easy. What I have sailed through, nobody knows. And why? Did I speak a lie on social media? No. I was introduced to ma'am by these two. Again, Bhavin Mehta and Vivek Tikku, by these two. There was a price tag. I will not name. It's there in court. Chalo, name karta hu. I was quoted 30 crores. 30 crores. For ma'am. क्या हो रहा है भाई? क्या हो रहा है? Just a minute, I'll pause. Friends, sorry. My grandsons have just come back from school. Okay. 30 crores. 30. There are a lot of things. There are a lot of strings attached. Everywhere. हिंदी में बोलते गुतड़ा हो गया, गुतड़ा. And that only one loose thread is in my hand where I can pull out everybody. Only I. Nobody has the power to do anything in the case except me. Hence I did social media. Now what happened after social media? I did abusive language. He corrupted a lot of people from my family. I had a scrap with a lot of people in my family. Lot of issues. 1 year. Nobody speaks to me and I don't speak to anybody. Why? Social media. But what happened because of social media? दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी. सच बाहर आ गया. अमित शाह भी अंदर घुस गए. शरद पवार जी भी घुस गए. पीएमओ ऑफिस भी घुस गया. CJI is also inside. Because of social media. Now everybody is zipped. बात ही नहीं करेगा कोई अभी. Why? Because I'm due to go to CBI today. Once I go and file that complaint, boom! Now you cannot withdraw it. And then criminal law sets in motion against everybody, even the judges. I cannot name because I don't have the name. I would have named the judges too. This is a big thing, a very big case. ऐसा ही देता है क्या कोई? 58,500 बाप का माल है? Because you all are wrong. अमित जी, शरद पवार जी, संजीव बजाज, or Dodo, forget him. The judges, they all ruined my 14 years. I had a company, a huge company, the biggest sleepwear brand in India. They all ruined it. If I go to court with this, Complain. Vijay Mallya type. All Moti, whoever IDBI and Union Bank and everybody is given money, they will come and implicate themselves in my case. They've done the same things with me. We need investigation against all of these people. The judges have been corrupt even in our case. I'm just naming a few. 1,000 people will come. Our cases are wrong, false, bogus है, reinvestigation, पुलिस ने पैसा खाया है. I paid more than 50 lakhs to police. More than 50 lakhs. Yes, giving a bribe is a crime. That I will see in court. How I save myself. Why did I pay bribe? ये ऐसा किया है मेरे साथ संजीव बजाज ने, और मेरे पे अब मेहरबानी करता है 58,500 करोड़ देके. कोई मेहरबानी नहीं करता, कोर्ट भी देगा मेरे को. And now the court is liable to hear me. And I'm not going to court, my dear friends. I'm not. I will be called. I will be called suo motu. देखो क्या होता है आगे. देखो क्या होता है. क्या है. Everybody is at stake. Let me tell you. ये आज कंप्लेंट फाइल हो गया कि everybody is at stake. No divorce then. No marriage. There is no ma'am. Let me tell you all frankly, I cannot divorce my wife till the court orders. Now court will even go into this. Why are you divorcing your wife? Because of Sanjeev Bajaj. One handle he had created. Words of women. मेरा दिमाग खराब करने के लिए या मेरे को डिवोर्स कराने के लिए. Words of a woman saying that this is ma'am. Got it? Words of a woman stating that, or it looks that ma'am is operating this account. The kind of post she's putting. Wow man, ऐसा भी होता है क्या? डिवोर्स कराने मेरे से अग्रीमेंट करा दिया 1 minute with my wife. And now that document is in High Court. So once this happens today, nothing. अब सब चक्की पीसो जेल में. All of you all, everybody who is involved. I've told you all everything what is happening. It's not a small case. अटैक कराओ मेरे को, मारने को देखो. Then you send people that we are going to shut you down. ये करता क्या है रे? Honey traps. What are you doing, man? आदमी है क्या? क्या जानवर है क्या? इवन जानवर हम इज्जत करते हैं. गौ माता के पैर पड़ते हैं. नंदी महाराज, डॉग्स, पेट्स. क्या है? कौन है तू? मैं तो I cannot tell you are a pig also, because even that is got some life inside. People eat it, or some don't, depending on the caste. What are you, man? संजीव बजाज क्या किया तूने? पवर जी क्या किया आपने? I want you to show me your power. You have lot of power. बहुत लंबे हाथ है. अमेरिका तक करो कुछ भी. क्या कर रहे हो? सेटलमेंट करने में फट रही है. आई एम सॉरी. आई हैव दिस इज नॉट फट जाना. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. फट रही है. क्यों? क्यों? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? टेबल पे मीटिंग होएगा कि नहीं होएगा? सेटलमेंट होएगा कि नहीं होएगा? किशोर छाबरिया को एविडेंस हो जाएगा? अरे पागल, खोपड़ी है क्या? क्या है? भूसा भरा हुआ है सबका आपका. इट्स अ लीगल सेटलमेंट. ईमेल भेजा है 4 बार अभिषेक गोयल ने विथ ऑल द टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस. इट इज ऑलरेडी बिकम लीगल. फॉर कॉलिंग मी ऑल्सो एनीवेयर फॉर अ मीटिंग, you all need to send an email. You all have to give me the itinerary, flight tickets. ये सब ईमेल पे आना चाहिए तो आऊँगा, नहीं तो आज सी भी है. I think I've spoken enough. मन भरा हुआ है दोस्तों, बहुत मन भरा हुआ है. 14 years of pain, nobody understood. One friend from New York, he used to chat with me very often. And I used to become happy. Wow, chalo, there is somebody speaking something good. Later he started abusing me. Wow man, ऐसा भी होता है. ऐसा भी होता है भाई, ऐसा भी होता है। हर हर महादेव।